Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to automatically delete files from download folders in Windows 11. It's going to be very easy. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search settings here in the search box, hit enter, and then in the setting page, as you can see, there will be system here. You can click on it. And then in the system you will find storage. You can click on it, and then in the storage panel you will find storage sense. Make sure it's turned on, and then after you turn it on you can click on it, and you will find configure cleanup schedules, and there is option to delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been open for more than, you can choose maybe 1 day or 14 days, 60 days, or 30 days. It's up to you. So let's say I want to make it, I want to delete it if they have been 30 days. And then also you can run the storage sense now. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.